Wasim Akram has written his name as one of the greatest in the history of the sport. And as part of a conversation with Shane Watson in the show, Lessons Learned with the Greats, he named the Indian tour in 1999 as his most cherished. The tests between India and Pakistan attract a massive fan following. Pakistan visited India to play two tests in Chennai and Delhi. The tourists won the first by 12 runs, courtesy of twin 5-wicket hauls from Saqlain Mushtaq. Mohammad Azharuddin's men bounced back to emerge victorious in the next by trouncing Pakistan by 212 runs, led by Anil Kumble's 16-wicket haul.
You know, when you play for 20, 21 years, it's difficult to pick one game or one series, but more or less England and Australia were the places where I wanted to perform. And against India was a different reason I wanted to perform. Because once you perform against India, you get recognized in your country big time. Vice versa for Indians as well, if they perform well. And 90s, we won a lot against India. Nowadays, a very different story. It's the opposite now. The tables have turned, I suppose. Yeah. But if we talk about tours, I'll pick up India tour. My number one, 1999. We toured India after 10 years. India came to Pakistan in 99 and we didn't play Test cricket for 10 years.
Really?
Yeah. So me and Bakar never played against great Sachin Tendulkar for 10 years, Test cricket.
Wow.
89, Sachin did the debut in Pakistan, and then we toured in 99.
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
So that tour was exactly the same security you guys are having in Pakistan now. President, state level security, roads are blocked everywhere, not allowed to go outside the hotel. But, and you can imagine India, Pakistan, if they're playing in Pakistan, they might not get support at all, and vice versa. If you go to India, pin drop silence if you're doing well. So I was the captain, so I've told my team before the first test match at Chennai, look guys, if there are 50,000, 40,000 people, Chennai crowd is a very cricket kind of knowledgeable, cricket loving crowd. And I said, if the stadium is quiet, it means we're doing our job. And that was the thing I put it into. I said, don't worry about clapping and, well done. Just think back home and think, if they're quiet, we are on the right track. And that test match, we won by 12 runs.
Oh, what a test match.
They needed, I think, 260 odd. Sachin was playing on 136, 20 runs to win. 5 wickets down. Him and Mongia had a partnership. And then Mongia got out on the second new ball of me. And then Sachin started hitting. They needed 20, I think, with 5 wickets in hand. And then every fielder was on the boundary. Apart from me as a captain, I was at extra cover. Giving single away to Sachin. And obviously Sachin charged, and Saqlain Mushtaq was a phenomenal bowler. I mean, he was the one who inventor of Dusra, the different delivery. Imagine the talent he had. So he was on 136. He was reading him fine, Sachin. But on that delivery, I think he bowled the Dusra, but towards middle leg. So he went towards mid wicket, top edge, and the ball went right up in the sky, and there was only one fielder under. And that was me. 50,000 people screaming, and the catch was up in the air. And imagine what must have been going through my mind, the whole country, if I drop. I just said in the end, focus, stay still, eyes on the ball. That's all I did.
Keep it simple,
Keep it simple.
Process.
Exactly. And imagine it takes you split seconds, you have to decide everything. So many things goes past your mind. And then I took that catch, and I think Saqlain got 3 or 4 in the next 4 overs. The game was over, and at first time in the history of India-Pakistan cricket, we got standing ovation from the Chennai crowd. Yeah, you must see it on YouTube. It's something phenomenal. And there's a very amazing documentary made by Channel 4 on that series. They were allowed in our dressing rooms and travel with us. It's called, I think, Cricket and War. I think it's on YouTube. It's very interesting. They were in our dressing room. They were seeing the crowd. It's incredible.
It's phenomenal.
Must watch.
I will.